Factorization by breaking middle term, splitting middle term, self-checking or and proof. This expression can be factorized by breaking middle term in two ways. One is correct and one is wrong. Suppose f x square minus 3x minus 2x minus 6. This is the pair of the middle term, or we can write x square minus 6x plus x minus 6. This is another pair of the middle term. Which pairs are correct? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdur Rehman. In this video, I will in this uh, in this video I will explain how to check which pair of middle term is correct. Either the middle term of x square minus 5x minus 6 is x minus 3x minus 2x or minus 6x plus x. So let us start. Suppose the example is factorize x square minus 5x minus 6 by breaking middle term. So the first step is we have to find a product of coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is 1 and the last term which is 6. So 1 into 6. 1 into 6 is 6, and now 2 order 6, 2, 3 is the 6 here. So let's suppose I'm taking 2 and 3, the combination of 2 and 3, which is 5 here. 3 plus 2 is 5. So copy this question, x square minus 5x minus 6. Copy this sign, x square minus, and I'm going to add by addition 3 and 2, we get minus 5x. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So I'm going to copy this sign, minus, copy here, minus 3x. For addition, we have to write the same sign, minus 2x. So minus 3x minus 2x is minus 5x minus 6. The question is, this pair of break of the middle term is correct or not. So how to check this? Method is find out the product of this middle term. This pair of middle term. This is minus 3x minus 2x. So minus 3x times minus 2x, which is minus into minus, minus into minus is plus, 3 to the 6, and x into x is x square. So this is x square here. And find out the product of the first and last term. Or you can say find out the product of the outermost terms. So the product of the outermost term is x squared times minus 6, which is minus 6x square. And you are observing that the 6x square and minus 6x square, these are different. The product of innermost term and the product of outermost terms are different. So these pair of the breaking middle term are incorrect. You can check why if you find out the factorize. If you find out the factorize, you can get the result that the pair of middle term is incorrect. So I'm going to check here. X square minus 6x minus, sorry, so I'm going to try to factorize x square minus 5x minus 6 with these wrong pair. You will see what happened. x square minus 5x minus 6. So I'm going to try to factorize with the wrong pair, which was minus 3x, which were minus 3x minus 2x minus 6. Find out the common. X is common, x minus 3, and minus sign copy here. So minus 2, my 2 is common here. So minus 2x divided by minus 2 is x here. X and minus 6, and divide minus 6 by minus 2, you will get minus minus cancel, 2 plus 3. So plus 3. You are observing that for correct factorization, these two brackets must be same. But these two brackets are different, x minus 3 and x plus 3. So this is a self-checking that the minus 3x minus 2x were the incorrect pair of minus 5x, the middle term. Now, again, I'm going to try x square minus 5x minus 6. So what the first step is, 1 here, 1 into 6 is 1 into 6 is 6. I'm going to take these two pair of the middle term here. So x square minus 5x minus 6. X square sign is copy here. Minus, and take the biggest pair, which is 6. So minus 6x, and by subtracting 1 we get minus 5. So for subtracting you have to write the different sign here, plus x minus 6. But first check either these two pairs are correct or incorrect. These two pair of middle term are correct or incorrect. So what will you do? Find out the product of the innermost terms, which is minus 6x plus x. Minus 6x times plus x will be minus 6x square. Then find out the product of the outermost term, which is x square times minus 6x square here. So you are observing that minus 6x square and minus x square are same. So it means the minus 6x plus x are the correct pair of the middle term here. So now start to factorize. Question was x square minus 5x minus 6. Copy this question and try to find out try to factorize these. X square minus 5x minus 6. So I have decided that the correct pair was minus 6x plus 5 plus x of the middle term. So x square minus 6x plus x minus 6 here. So now try to take common. In the first pair, x square minus 6x, the common is x here. So x is common. And in the bracket, we have to divide x square by x and minus 6x by x one by one. So x square or x will be, we get x here, and minus 6x divided by x, we get minus 6. In the second pair is plus x minus 6. So one plus sign is copy. It's plus sign, and x and minus 6, 1 is common here. So when we divide plus x by plus 1, we will get x. and minus 6 by plus 1, we will get minus 6. So you are observing that these two pairs are same. X minus 6 and x minus 6 are same. It means this is the, we are factorization, we are going to factorize in the correct way. Now the another pair is this, and the common are x minus 6. Common is x minus 6. So the second factor will be x plus 1. This is the correct answer, and the correct factorization of x square minus 5x minus 6 or x minus 6 times x plus 1 are the correct factorization. I hope you have understood the idea how to check which pairs of middle term is correct. If it's still confused, kindly watch this lesson again and again. So stay connected, like, share with friends, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.